So here's how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0003. First, you want to open your Windows menu and then search for NVIDIA app. Now, if you don't have it, you can open the browser or open your browser and search for NVIDIA app, and then download and install it from the first link, which will help you find the drivers that match your graphic card. So you can click on drivers section and then click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver update installed. Now, what you can do as well is right click on the Windows logo and then go to Device Manager. And in this window, you want to click on Display Adapters and then select your GeForce card and then click on Update Drivers and then search automatically for drivers. And then you can also search in Windows Updates, and that should start downloading any updates available. Now you can also search in the Windows Updates and make sure you install any available updates in here, or also go to Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. And in here, if you see any updates related to graphics or graphic card, make sure to check them and download and install them. Next, you want to open the services list by right-clicking the taskbar, opening Task Manager, and in here you want to click Services and then Open Services. And in here you want to look for NVIDIA Services by selecting any service and pressing N on your keyboard. Now you can see these three NVIDIA services. We want to restart them if they are already running by right-clicking and select Restart. And we want to click on the NVIDIA local subsystem container and then click Restart. Now for this one right here, if it's stopped, double click on it and then click on Start Service. And then you can press OK. Now you can simply close this. And then we want to right click Windows icon, click on the Run command, and here type $sign local update $sign. Then press OK, and you can look for NVIDIA folder in here by pressing N. Now you can double click on the NVIDIA Corporation folder, and in here you want to click on the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience, but the newest one is the NVIDIA app. And then we want to remove the cache files, which is this folder right here, CEF cache. Right click on it and delete. Now, if you can't delete it, make sure the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience previously is not running by searching for NVIDIA here. And then closing all of these apps, End Task, right click and End Task. Then you can come back and remove this folder again and it should work. Next, you can close this and then try to run your NVIDIA GeForce Experience or the newest NVIDIA app, which replaces that, I guess. Now, if you still can't run it or you have issues running it, you can perform a clean install by right-clicking Windows icon and then go to Installed Apps. In here, search for NVIDIA and then right-click on the NVIDIA app, which is the first one here. Click on the dots and click Uninstall. Now, once it's uninstalled, you can open your browser and download it from the NVIDIA software website. Click on Download now and perform a clean install of the NVIDIA app, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.